Basic corn souffle recipe. Got a sweet tooth? You're not the only one. But because your guests loved your meal, they might appreciate having a light dessert. A souffle is a light, fluffy, baked cake made with egg yolks and beaten egg whites combined with various other ingredients and served as a savory main dish or sweetened as a dessert. The word souffle is the past participle of the French verb souffler, which means to blow up or more loosely puff up, an apartment description of what happens to this combination of custard and egg whites. Every souffle is made from two basic components, a French crème patisserie base, flavored cream sauce or egg whites beaten to a soft peak meringue. Souffles can be made in containers of all shapes and sizes, but it is traditional to make souffle in ramekins. These containers vary greatly in size, but are typically glazed white, flat-bottomed, round porcelain containers with unglazed bottoms and fluted exterior borders. There are a number of variations on the souffle theme. One is an ice cream souffle, which combines a souffle with ice cream and either a fruit or a hot sauce. Servings. 4. Preparation time. 50 minutes. Cooking time. 50 minutes. Difficulty level. Easy. Ingredients. 1 pound. Potatoes, 0.55 pounds, about 1 cup, cooked corn. For puff pastry. 1 cup milk, 1 cup water, 1/2 tablespoon salt, 16 tablespoons butter, 19 tablespoons flour, 10 eggs. Preparation instructions. For the puff pastry. Boil the water, milk, salt, and butter. Incorporate the flour and remove the pan from the burner. Add eggs, 1 by 1, mixing well. Prepare the potato puree. 1 pound potatoes for every 2 pounds puff pastry. To the 2 pounds puree, add 0.55 pounds cooked corn. Mix well. Butter and flour cylinders, about 1 in diameter, and fill about 3/4 full with the potato, corn mixture. Bake for about 15 minutes. This recipe is very good as garnishing for grilled or stewed fish.